Real briefly, what I want to discuss here are the three different types of methods. The first one that we see is the one that we just recently introduced called a constructor. And this creates an object of a class. So what you have seen is in our burger project we've had the different types of buns, different meats, different cheeses, and we've been able to work with that and say, okay, in this object, this type of patty goes with this type of bun, and so forth. So that is what we've been working with as far as constructors. We've been building these different objects based off of different details that we pass to the method. An accessor accesses the class object without alternating the object. So what it does is it goes to the method, passes the information, but it doesn't alternate the information at all or change. So an example would be if we had from the math class, let's use the min or max method. We're trying to find out which one is the bigger number, but we don't necessarily change either one of the numbers. It returns whichever one is greater. So that is a perfect example of an accessor class. Mutators, meanwhile, alter the information. That's the third one down here. So, for example, if we were doing something where we pass down a balance for like a bank account, that could then be recalculated and have that new number be returned. That would be an example of a mutator. Most of the time so far, we've been using accessors or constructors. We are going to be making sure that we're doing a good balance of all three types of methods throughout the course here. So once again, the three different types are constructor, build an object; accessor, use the information but do not change it; mutator, uses and changes the information.